Today is going to be a great and fulfilling day. I am healthy, happy, and secure. I am an unlimited being with the ability to create anything I want. I naturally attract love everywhere I go. I greet today with calmness and confidence. I have everything I need to solve any challenges that arise. I am beautiful, strong, and powerful. I am grateful for all that I have, all that I am, and all that is. I will make good choices all day using my inner wisdom. Today, wonderful things will unfold before me. I inspire those around me. I inhale confidence and exhale doubt. I believe in myself with every fiber of my being. Today will be a beautiful adventure. Good things are coming to me today. I spread love to those around me. And it returns to me in abundance. I am magnetic and irresistible to those around me. Love is attracted to me, and I am attracted to love. My inner beauty naturally radiates outwards. I draw love and romance into my life with ease. Today will be a perfect day. I am becoming better every day. Today, I will attract a deeper love and appreciation for myself. I welcome love with open arms. I choose to fill myself with positive joy. My mind is filled with positive and nourishing thoughts. I can handle anything that comes my way. My life is filled with success and love. I am limited by nothing and have unlimited potential. I choose peace and harmony as my way of life. I am both whole and complete. I feel positive in every cell of my body. Good things will flow into my life today. Today, I will attract success, abundance, and well-being. Everything is going to work out to my highest good. I am in full control of my life and enjoy every aspect of it. My day is filled with love and prosperity. I am imaginative and my creativity flows endlessly. I am at peace with the world. My relationships with those I love are constantly strengthening. I attract success into my life effortlessly. I know and believe with certainty in my ability to achieve. I am positive, passionate, and successful. I wake up every day with a deep sense of peace and love. My body is vibrant and healthy. Wonderful things will happen to me today. I start every day off on the right foot. I will spread and attract love everywhere I go. I welcome today with open arms. I have total confidence in my ability to achieve.